Maria was 20 years old when she spent 4 months in a prison cell with her 3-year-old son. While at work one day, she slipped and fell down the stairs. She started bleeding and was in pain. She went to the hospital and learned she was having a miscarriage. Prior to this moment, she didn't know she was pregnant. The doctors told her everything was okay, but she was later arrested for illegally having an abortion.
En Ecuador, las mujeres no pueden ser apresadas por abortar en determinados casos. El primero es cuando la vida o la salud de una mujer corre un peligro no evitable por otros medios, y el segundo es cuando el embarazo ha sido producto de violación. Sin embargo, lo que suele suceder es que la dimensión de la salud mental, por ejemplo, la dimensión de la salud social no son consideradas.
Soledad was 38 years old when she found out she was pregnant with her first child. This was a wanted, planned, and welcome pregnancy for Soledad and her husband. One day, she felt a sharp pain which made her go to the bathroom. She gave birth prematurely there and lost her daughter. When she got to the hospital, the doctors assumed she had induced an abortion and they called the police. She was taken to prison.
From the 148 cases reviewed by Human Rights Watch, 73% of the prosecutions for alleged abortion were initiated after a healthcare provider reported a patient to the police in violation of medical confidentiality.
Los profesionales que trabajan en el sistema de salud tienen mucho temor de ser enjuiciados, de ser encarcelados, porque tampoco tienen clara la ley.
In the cases where healthcare workers reported their patients, they were violating legal requirements protecting medical confidentiality. Women and girls accused of abortion are often deprived of proper post-abortion care and encounter violations of their due process rights, as well as barriers to accessing good quality legal representation.
Even though Soledad continued to bleed for days in prison, no doctor came to care for her or make sure she was safe. The prosecutor charged her with aggravated homicide. She faced being sentenced up to 26 years in prison. She was found not guilty at her trial. By then, she had already spent 5 months in jail.
La criminalización del aborto es un tema de injusticia social, ¿no? Donde son las mujeres más empobrecidas las que más consecuencias sufren.
Las mujeres más pobres no tienen ningún acceso y ellas tienen que buscar métodos lo más inadecuados que provocan infecciones que pueden provocar hasta la muerte.
Elena was 21 years old, married, living in poverty, and with a child when she was raped and became pregnant. She knew her reputation would be ruined if word got out that she was pregnant with someone else's child. Elena took medication to end her unintended pregnancy.
In Ecuador, 1 in 4 women experience sexual violence. Until April 2021, abortion after rape was criminalized unless the pregnant person had an intellectual disability.
Las mujeres tienen muchísimo miedo de denunciar situaciones de violencia sexual cuando quedan embarazadas porque piensan que ellas son las que pueden ser judicializadas. A todo el temor y el estigma existente sobre las víctimas de violencia sexual se suma el temor y el estigma existente sobre el aborto.
When Elena started having severe stomach pain and cramps, she went to a public hospital. The doctors who treated her reported her to the police. She was arrested and placed on trial. She told the judge, "Yes, I used the pills. I didn't want to have it because it was the product of rape. I didn't want my family to find out." She was sentenced to 12 months in prison and was released after 7 months due to good behavior. Her allegations of sexual violence were never investigated.
Yo creo que la criminalización del aborto no es una medida efectiva para nada, ni para reducir la cantidad de abortos, ni para evitar, si quieres, que las mujeres se embaracen, ni para evitar la violencia sexual. Yo creo que es una vulneración de derechos humanos. Pero la negación de abortos legales podría constituir hasta una forma de tortura, trato cruel, inhumano y degradante, de acuerdo a los estándares internacionales.
The criminalization of abortion has a devastating impact on the lives and health of women and girls. The Ecuadorian Constitutional Court's ruling to decriminalize abortion in all cases of rape is an important step. Newly elected legislators and President Guillermo Lasso should remove all criminal penalties for abortion and guarantee effective access to abortion on all legal grounds.